Are you willing to buy the high-pressure, high-efficiency industrial steam boiler system? Consider contacting O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Limited. It is a privately owned company that operates as Australia's largest boiler company. They provide a great collection of steam boilers, service and maintenance to the industrial and commercial industry throughout the AU. Their offered comprehensive range of boilers are carefully selected from the quality manufacturers. They have a wide range of steam boilers and heat generator systems, like Fair tube boilers, Abivaso, Evian, Evertris, water tube boilers, ODY-88, electric steam boilers, Abivas, etc. They also offer periodic boiler maintenance, 24/7 breakdown support, PLC upgrades and much more. Their dedicated service team will ensure that your servicing and maintenance requirements are scheduled at a time most convenient to you. More info at https://abrian-energy.com.au/